Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we've got a nice VEVOR product. It's the quilted hammock, and it's in these two bags. I took all of the parts out that were in a long cardboard box. The cases were just folded up and all the parts were laid out in it in bubble wrap. I've already taken and put everything in the case to show you that the cases will accommodate all the parts. So you can take this out camping, anywhere you might want to go that you want to take a hammock with you. You get a user manual and you get the hardware that's going to be the frame. This is a frame that is mounted, and you spread the hammock between the support parts of the frame, as you will see in the demonstration that I'm going to do. In the cases or the frame right here, and these are what is going to support the hammock itself, one on either end, and there's other support rods in between. And then there's, you can see right here, are some spreader connectors right here, two of them. And you'll see exactly how it lays out. Quilted hammock itself, rolled up, and it's in a little plastic cover, which is going to keep it nice. So we'll take it out and show you how easy it is to assemble this. Okay, I've got both bags that have the hammock totally in them, and we're going to lay out the frame first and then put the hammock on. I'll put the hammock over to the side, and we'll work on the frame. Now, we're going to take all of these main support bars, the round bars, out, and this is going to go on one end right here. This one is going on the other end over here, and I may have to put these out a ways. And this is the support in the center that's going to connect the two stands together. And here are the support stands, and there's two of them. It's a little bit of a tight fit to get these in because they've got this. Now, if you'll look at that, one side goes up, one is straight. Well, this side going up is for that support. And this is going to go in here. There's a hole. You push on this pin and wiggle until it gets connected. And then you would put this over here, on here, push, go down and click, and then you have one more here. All right, and now again, this is going toward the up rail, and this goes here, push. So you can always tell how this goes without looking at the directions even. This is a plastic bag that you can just pull off, and you could reuse this to keep it nice, just perfect. So I'm going to put this in the bag after I'm complete. Now, you lay this down, and there'll be, if you fold it up in a manner, you can easily put this back together. And it's got a pillow there. So all I do is go around like this, put my pillow up at this end. I could take the pillow off and put on the other end, no problem, but I've got them tied, so it makes it a little easier to do that. Now, take the chain, the place you want it, and make a loop like that. Put it over there. Then you take this, getting all this straight, and then kind of pre-measure a little bit, and you get it to the tightness that you think you want, and then hook it like that. And then you can adjust it later if you want. Let's see. I think you can get, then you can move this around. I'm going to mount it by just sitting down and balancing my weight, moving around, and then you grab the edges and you can get very comfortable. Now, to get yourself level, if you've got too much weight to one side, you see it's going to be like that, so you can shift and balance your weight in here and you're very comfortable. That's pretty much how easy it is. All right, now to get out, kind of do the reverse. You want to hold on to this and keep your weight kind of toward the center, and then you just pull up and you can get out. There you go. All right.